Welcome to Månbergs Lappträsk and Histotech. This room is the laundry room, and the reason you need a laundry room on the moon is that clothes and other things get dirty and you need to clean them. The difference between a washing machine and a laundry room on Earth and a laundry facility on the moon is that you have to recycle the water. Water is expensive, particularly hydrogen. Oxygen is good. But also the dirt is important because that contains biological material, volatiles as they call them, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen. Yeah, that's the main three ones actually that you need to recycle, and that's a lot of that in dirt on the clothes. So you need to recycle everything. You can't just pour it out into the sink like you do here and then let it go to a plant somewhere else. You might pour it out in a sink, but it won't go far. It might go into the biological system in the greenhouse. What we need in order to produce cleaning, in order to clean stuff on the moon is water, detergent, and some kind of cleaning equipment, and somebody to do the cleaning, obviously. Energy. It's probably better to heat it, and in any case you need to move it around, so some sort of energy. And what I'm going to do next with the laundry room here is that I'll keep using the washing machine. So it is not a high priority area, but it would be fun to check if you could use the water somewhere in the aquaponics process in order to wash and get the laundry clean, and then put the water back into the system without actually adding anything that's dangerous for the plants or fish. And yeah, so very little, maybe try the aquaponics. Thank you.